Hello, welcome to this short video clip that gives you an introduction of the contents that we will treat in the lecture on human action. What we shall treat. What is human action and what makes it different from behavior? A very important distinction. Nowadays, most social sciences, psychology, sociology, economics, even psychology, use the behavioral approach, but for Austrian economics, the right way to treat the aspect of action in the economy is to think of the concept of human action, which has quite an elaborate contents. So it's important to see this contrast between human action and behavior. This leads directly to the concept of praxeology. This is the elaboration, the theoretical elaboration of human action, and to the epistemology of the Austrian school. So interestingly, also, from these approaches, human action, praxeology, epistemology, results a very distinctive feature why Austrian economics stresses cooperation in contrast to competition. Competition plays a role, but the overriding concept is cooperation. Finally, why Austrian economics identifies capitalism as peaceful and friendly and politics as hostile. Thank you very much. Enjoy.